The Miners of Infinity Final craft is now live and you can get that RollerAdminGauntlet. Let's check it out right here on That Techo Guy. Stay tuned. Alright, so it's been a long time coming and it's been quite an interesting journey, but now we're coming to the very end where you can actually craft that RollerAdminGauntlet for 28.8 petahash per second and a 9.99% bonus. On my screen here you can see the Rollercoin homepage, and if we go to store here and go to the crafting offer, we can see Infinity Final Craft, and at the time of recording this video there are 2 days remaining in order for you to manually start that craft, as I have already done. RollerAdminGauntlet here, you can see it 28.889 petahash per second, and that does have a 9.99% bonus attached to it as well. If I want to speed up the price and get this now, I'd have to spend 200 RLT, but I'm still going to wait the remaining 15 hours, 27 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. So by tomorrow I should be getting this RollerAdminGauntlet and placing it in my room. Awesomeness. You can see a few different options here as well, and you can see that I still have left over after that I've done this craft. I still have left over the time miner, I believe this is the time miner, and the illusion miner, okay, because there were 2 of those in the progression events. I believe there were 2 of the others as well in some of the other progression events, but it's possible that I didn't make it to the very end of all of the progression events. But you can still always purchase these ones that you have missing, and if you didn't have at least one of each of these 9 miners, you can still currently purchase them, and that's going on under sales and popular. And here you can find the total infinity, and there is the same time pretty much remaining as the crafting offer for this as well. You can totally buy the entire set of miners. So if you do show more here, you can buy those entire set of 9 miners, including the life miner here, and you also get on top of that 10 petahash for 30 days, and all this costs 469.99 RLT. So if you want to go down that route, you can do it as well. And if you just want to do this so you can actually craft another RollerAdminGauntlet, you can do that as well, because you will be able to merge the miners. So if you go to the merge section here and you go to miners and we type in RollerAdmin, so here we can see that you can actually merge it up to the rare level, okay? So if you get the uncommon one, which you will get if you completed all the progression events that there were, if you've got all 9, like I'm going to get, you'll get the basic 28.889 petahash, okay, with 9.99%. If you actually get another one of those, you'll be able to merge those 2 together to bring you up to 75.833 petahash and jump that up from almost 10% to 20%, okay? So you'll get double the bonus as well. In order to do this, you'll need 185,982 wires, and you'll need 95.54 RLT, okay? Now, if you've actually gotten like 4 of the common ones, then you're going to be able to merge that twice if you've got this amount of wires as well, and you've got enough RollerAdminGauntlets, and you'll be able to merge both uncommon ones to the rare RollerAdminGauntlet, and that will literally pump you up from 75.8 petahash to 199 petahash, and it will put your bonus power up from 20% to 30%. So that would be an extremely powerful miner indeed to have, but obviously remember that it comes at a price, and you'll need these wires in this case as well. You'll need 13,721 wires, so be sure to calculate the cost for those wires as well, and not just the RLT price listed down here. But these are options that you can obviously pursue later on. You don't have to do it now, so you can always merge it, but you do need to have at least 2 common RollerAdminGauntlets for you to be able to do this merge. Okay, so as you can see, if you actually had 2 RollerAdminGauntlets, you would have less than 60 petahash, but with the merge you would get 75, and you'd get an extra 10% on top of that as bonus power. Okay, so it's definitely worth it to do the merge, but calculate things accordingly, especially the cost of those wires that you need, and factor in the RLT price that you have as well. I am currently crafting that RollerAdminGauntlet. I don't know if I'll actually be buying any of those packages, maybe just to get another one if I can. You can mix and match from the sales and popular, and you can see which bundle will be best suited for you depending on your circumstances. They're not all the same price, so I don't need them all. So I'm just going to go back to the crafting offer here. Let me just open that in a new tab, and we can see those again. So here I have the space miner, and I have this one here, which is the illusion miner. Yes, okay, so I've got the illusion miner and I've got the space miner. Okay, so if I wanted the other ones, I'd have to purchase different packages. So I'd probably need to get this package and this package, but I don't need the space miner again, and I'd still need to get this package. So I'd need to get all of those. So that wouldn't make sense. So I'd have to purchase all of them if I wanted those. Or I can see if you can try to find them individually. I'm not totally sure, but you probably can find them individually in the marketplace as well, and try to buy them that way. And that will give you hopefully a cheaper price when you do it that way as well. So let's say I want to try and get this one here, which is the reality miner. Okay, it's going to probably be one of the cheapest ones. If I go to the marketplace, let's see if we can actually find that here. So reality miner, and yes, it's there, and I can purchase it for 10 RLT. So you could do it that way. Otherwise, I would have to literally just purchase all of those packages. So I'd need to kind of get this, even though I don't need this one. I need to get this, even though I might not need the illusion miner. So I'd be getting miners that I don't actually need again. So in my case, it would be probably more beneficial to buy it from the marketplace and buy the miners that I actually need if I actually wanted to craft another RollerAdminGauntlet to hopefully merge those two together and at least get 75 petahash. That would be quite good as well. Okay, so I hope that you found this video interesting and useful, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.